Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is about our home tour. Of course, this is the rented house. I have kept the plant pots to give it a green touch in front of the home. And this is the entrance of the house. The first thing you see is the living room, which is very simple with minimal things, like not with any fancy stuff. This is 2 BHK rented home in which we have only minimal decor items to keep it clutter free. We have been living here since past 3 years. This is the study cum workspace table with all the required stationaries. I do my video editing and some journaling work here itself. This is another bedroom in which my mother-in-law stays. And this is the cute aquarium kept in the living room. And these fishes are my little pets. And these are the minimum decor items kept in the showcase. And these are the required books, and the rest or all the required miscellaneous things kept in the shelf. These are some photo frames for wall decors, and this is one of my personal favorite which I got on my birthday. And next comes the kitchen, in which I spend a lot of time. Actually, this is our second rented home in this place. Previously I had uploaded a video regarding organizing non-modular kitchen, which was very small. Compared to that, this kitchen is pretty spacious. As I said, I in the earlier video, minimalism is a thing I follow every time. And this is the greenery touch in the kitchen. I love it. And I have kept the basic minimum things in the kitchen countertop, on the kitchen countertop. Like this is an air fryer, mixer, kettle, etc. And yeah, these are the plans for the lively touch in the kitchen. And in this plastic shelves I have kept tea powder, coffee powder, and other required things. And this is the underneath shelf come a cup stand, which I bought it from Amazon. And these are the daily what do you say, groceries I use that I have kept on the shelf. And this is the tray in which I store the oil, cooking oils, ghee, pickles, and etc. Nothing fancy, nothing more, just kept what is required on daily basis, like spoons, knives, cutleries. And yeah, this is the plate stand I have used for keeping the chopping boards also. And this is the utensils washed basket. And most important, and I love this thing in my kitchen, I just open the window to enjoy the view while I'm cooking. And an RO filter. Nothing what is special in this. Every kitchen has this. And this is the earthen pot we mostly use in the summers. And next comes is our bedroom. Yeah, very small and cute. We don't have any cots. We sleep on the floor using beds, pillows, and blankets. I have not piled up anything other than required. And this is one of my personal favorite in my bedroom, Radha Krishna's photo frame. And this is my husband's violin. And this is the cute little dream catcher which I got as a birthday gift from my bestie. And yeah, this is the bare minimum things I have in my bedroom. And yeah, next comes not last but not the least, which is the soul of our home, puja room. My morning begins here and the day ends here. These are all the gods' idols I have kept, which are not only idols, they are something more than these materialistic things. I feel lively whenever I am in their service. They complete me. And Bal Gopal is one of my favorite, which is very close to my heart. 15 minutes a day spent here is more worthy for me. And spiritual practice gives us a lot of mental, physical strength, which is very much necessary to lead a challenging life. And this practice has changed my life a lot. Like this video if you enjoy, and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload the new video. Yeah, thanks for watching. Do check the link in the description box of Organizing Non-Modular Kitchen. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye.